fact, we're going straight across now to these pictures of the Prime Minister. Remember, he was in Kerala earlier today. Now he is in Chennai for the poll campaign in the state of Tamil Nadu. It's a mega rally. Listen in.
திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழக ஆட்சி வாரிசு ஆட்சி இதையெல்லாம் அகற்ற வேண்டும் என்பதற்காகத்தான்
campaign which is being kick-started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Chennai today. Tamil Nadu is poll-bound, and ahead of elections, we've seen the NDA just get larger in terms of smaller parties now joining the NDA fold. On stage, we did see Edapadi Palaniswamy and also PMK's Anbumani Ramadas was there as well. TTV Dinakaran is the latest entrant to the NDA, and this gives an NDA a firmer shape just ahead of elections in the state of Tamil Nadu. The Prime Minister is there. He's just going to be addressing the workers who've gathered there today. He has hit out at the DMK, saying that the state is ready to bid farewell to the corrupt DMK is what the Prime Minister said, with the Chief Minister and head of DMK, MK Stalin, hitting back at the Prime Minister. Launching of the NDA campaign in Tamil Nadu is what we're seeing at this point in time. The Prime Minister has spoken about the NDA's governance record, said it's time to bid goodbye to the DMK. He's tweeted about this as well. Earlier today, he said, Tamil Nadu is with the NDA. I will be joining NDA leaders at the rally in Maduranthankam later today. Tamil Nadu has decided it's time to bid farewell to the corrupt DMK government. He spoke about the NDA's governance track record and has spoken about commitment to regional aspirations as well. I'm going to go straight across to Akshita Nandgopal for more details on that story, tracking that big story for us. Akshita, this is the Prime Minister now sounding the poll bugle in the state of Tamil Nadu ahead of the visit. Of course, we've seen some crucial alliances take shape, and the NDA really firming up in that sense, isn't it?
That's right, Sneha. Very, very crucial rally for the NDA. You know, the BJP is on an overdrive, trying to bring in as many allies as they can for this very rally, for this event. You see the poster that's put up of Prime Minister Modi on one side and EPS on the other. The messaging is exactly what Piyush Goyal said it would be. Modi in the center and EPS in Tamil Nadu. But important to highlight here that one of the other big headlines that emerged from this rally is the presence of Edapadi Palaniswamy and TTV Dinakaran for the very first time on the same stage. They're not seated together, interestingly. To Prime Minister Modi's right is EPS and to his left is TTV Dinakaran. But the idea of the NDA is to send out a message of solidarity, of strength as well. There was a lot of talk that many other parties, the likes of DMDK, will also be brought on board, but it looks like the alliance deal hasn't really been broken through yet. But you see the images there, the camaraderie between EPS and Prime Minister Modi. Very important to highlight here. And, you know, these images tell a story of how the BJP and AIADMK are working together to do everything they can to make the NDA stronger in Tamil Nadu. There's been clear endorsement from Home Minister Amit Shah previously for EPS, saying that it is under EPS's leadership, under the AIADMK's leadership, that the NDA is going to fight this election. Now expect that same endorsement from Prime Minister Modi, telling in the pictures, but also when he speaks on stage.
Also, you know, Akshita talked to us a little about what is expected. I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Apurva is also joining us for the very latest on that story from Ground Zero at this point in time. Apurva, also talk to us a little about what is expected vis-a-vis the Prime Minister's itinerary. Earlier, we saw him in Kerala today, now in Chennai. Both Kerala and Tamil Nadu poll-bound states, and of course, a series of development projects were lined up for Kerala. What's expected as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned?
Well, in fact, Sneha, it's going to be a very interesting, list of people who will be on the dais there. Just from the dignitaries that you can see initially, you also see how the top NDA alliance leaders have joined Prime Minister Modi here in that dais. In fact, just from the crowds of public as well, you can see how from near and far BJP cadres as well as supporters have joined here to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi. In fact, it is going to be an interesting speech that will take place here today. This, Prime Minister Modi essentially will be flagging of BJP's election campaigning for Tamil Nadu elections ahead of the state going for elections in just 2 to 3 months. And, to see Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, T.T. Vidyanathan, and several other senior leaders, Anbumani, as well, PMK chief there, all of them going ahead and taking the dais there along with Prime Minister Modi definitely shows a strong, support and a show of symbol there for the people, saying that the NDA is strong and the NDA has arrived here in Tamil Nadu.
That's right. The NDA is strong and the NDA has arrived, and the strategy is extremely clear. You have your allies and you have strengthened the NDA, the alliance per se, by bringing in these smaller parties. The message, Anaga, really is that we have just so many political parties in the state of Tamil Nadu coming in together. So these are the smaller parties in the NDA as constituents, and then we have this versus the DMK Congress alliance, isn't it? Anaga.
Well, in fact, Sneha, if you can hear me, I'm reporting from a bit outside the venue where Prime Minister has arrived. A lot of cadre from, who are supporting the BJP and ADMK have started arriving. Like my camera person Danny is showing you. உங்களுக்குலாம் யார் ஜெயிக்கணும்? யாருக்காக வந்திருக்கீங்க? எடப்பாடிக்காகவா? So the crowd over here is rooting for Edappadi Palaniswamy. That's the kind of crowd pull that you're seeing over here.
2026 அகில இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழக ஆட்சி தமிழ்நாட்டில் மீண்டும் மலரும்.
Very interesting because it is EPS indeed who is heading the state, and all the people who have come here are rooting for Edappadi's leadership. In fact, not just EPS, a lot of cadre from Anbumani Ramdas's party, PMK, T.T. Vidyanathan's party, they've also turned up in huge numbers over here. Remember, we are reporting from approximately the northern section of Tamil Nadu, where the PMK stronghold is pretty high, and we are talking about the Vanniyar subsect particularly. And since this is from the northern part of Tamil Nadu, very close to Chengalpet district, the Maduranthakam area, this shows the kind of crowd pull that, interestingly, PMK has also been able to gather. A lot of women, like you can see on your screen, have also gathered in large numbers, rooting for Edappadi Palaniswamy's victory. In fact, a lot of traffic has also been halted, given the fact that there is going to be a lot of security restrictions, given the fact that the Prime Minister has arrived over here. And remember, what's special about today's event is that today is the first such major public event that all the alliance partners of the NDA have begun today. We have the BJP, ADMK, PMK and the AMMK, the four-member party. This is the first such Mahagathbandhan of sorts alliance that's happening today in Maduranthakam, in the northern part of Tamil Nadu, very, very close to Chennai. And this location was deliberately chosen so that it's pretty close to Chennai and all the alliance leaders could easily travel here. This whole district has been decked up with posters, colorful flags, songs about Lord Murugan, who is a Tamil deity. So that's the kind of welcoming that we are seeing for Prime Minister Modi, who's already arrived here in Maduranthakam for the event to start.
That's right. The Prime Minister has already arrived. We have images of the Prime Minister there interacting with Edappadi Palaniswamy. Interesting that the NDA has already, Apurva, declared its face for the elections, clearly saying that EPS is going to be leading this alliance in that sense, isn't it, this time around?
That's right, Sneha. In fact, if you can just, listen to whatever my colleague Hanaga has talked about, most of the cadres who had come there have come here for Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. Let's, put the facts down straight. AIADMK's tall leader there, EPS, who is currently in the India Alliance there, the perception for the cadres here, the perception for the leaders here is that the chief ministerial candidate for the NDA will be Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. And that's something that the NDA cannot, rule out. And most importantly, they have other smaller parties who have also joined. In fact, this is the first time in almost after several years that Edappadi K. Palaniswamy and T.T. Vidyanathan are going ahead and sharing a stage. In fact, we're also getting to learn that, PMK's chief there, Anbumani, has also joined the AIADMK's NDA alliance here. All of these small parties going ahead and joining together, it kind of gives a bold face for the NDA now. Earlier
Alright,
on, we
it
have
does.
seen how
Undoubtedly,
the
it's the NDA really firming up and becoming larger in that sense in the state of Tamil Nadu. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Apurva, Anaga and my colleague Akshata are getting in those details and their perspective on that story.